Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we dive into the fascinating world of Ozempic weight loss transformation before and after results revealed. If you've been on a weight loss journey or are considering starting one, this video is a must-watch. Ozempic has been making waves in the health and wellness community for its remarkable impact on weight loss, and today, we'll uncover the secrets behind its success. Ozempic is a game-changer when it comes to weight loss. This FDA-approved medication mimics a hormone in your body that helps regulate blood sugar levels and appetite. By using Ozempic, individuals can experience reduced cravings, increased feelings of fullness, and significant weight loss. The best part? It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about transforming your relationship with food and achieving long-term health goals. The before and after results of Ozempic users speak volumes about its effectiveness. The transformation is life-changing, from shedding stubborn belly fat to gaining confidence and energy. Imagine fitting into clothes you never thought possible or feeling comfortable in your skin again. These results are more than physical. They can boost self-esteem, improve overall well-being, and inspire others to take control of their health. As we delve into the before and after results of Ozempic users, you'll witness the incredible journey of real people who have transformed their bodies and lives. How did they do it? What challenges did they face along the way? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets behind their success and get inspired to start your transformation journey. Get ready to be amazed by the power of Ozempic and the incredible transformations it can bring about. Today, we're delving into the world of Ozempic to explore its mechanism and benefits in weight management. If you've been curious about how Ozempic works and its impact on weight loss, you're in the right place. Let's uncover the science behind this revolutionary medication and the incredible transformations it has brought about for many individuals. Ozempic mimics the hormone GLP-1, which is crucial in regulating blood sugar levels and appetite. By activating GLP-1 receptors in the brain, Ozempic helps reduce hunger and cravings, making it easier for individuals to stick to a healthy diet. Additionally, Ozempic slows down the emptying of the stomach, increasing feelings of fullness and satisfaction after meals. This dual action not only helps in weight loss but also in managing blood sugar levels effectively. One of Ozempic's key benefits is its ability to promote weight loss in individuals struggling with obesity or overweight. By targeting multiple pathways involved in appetite regulation and metabolism, Ozempic can significantly reduce body weight over time. Studies have shown that individuals using Ozempic experience more significant weight loss compared to those on a placebo, making it a valuable tool in the fight against obesity. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing transformations with the help of Ozempic. The success stories are inspiring, from shedding excess pounds to gaining confidence and improving overall health. Real people have shared their journeys of overcoming weight struggles and achieving their goals with the support of Ozempic. Stay tuned to hear these stories and get motivated to start your weight loss journey with Ozempic by your side. This segment will delve into the initial weight, health status, and challenges individuals to face before starting their Ozempic journey. Understanding where they began is crucial in appreciating the incredible transformations that follow. Let's take a closer look at the data, struggles, and personal testimonies that shed light on the before phase of their Ozempic weight loss transformation. Before embarking on their Ozempic journey, individuals faced various challenges related to their weight and health. The data reveals that many of them had a high initial weight, with body mass indexes, BMIs, indicating obesity or overweight status. Additionally, common health conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and joint pain were prevalent among this group, highlighting the impact of excess weight on overall health. The road to weight loss is often filled with obstacles, and individuals considering Ozempic had their fair share of struggles. From failed diet attempts to feelings of hopelessness and low self-esteem, the challenges they faced were both physical and emotional. Many expressed frustration at not achieving sustainable weight loss despite their best efforts, leading them to seek alternative solutions like Ozempic. Personal testimonies provide a glimpse into the real-life experiences of individuals before starting Ozempic. Hearing their stories of frustration, self-doubt, and determination adds depth to the analysis and highlights the emotional toll of struggling with weight issues. These testimonies serve as a reminder of the human aspect behind the data, showcasing the resilience and courage of individuals who took the first step towards transforming their lives with Ozempic. In this segment, we will detail the inspiring journey of individuals during their Ozempic weight loss transformation. From setting out on this path to achieving remarkable milestones, their stories are a testament to the power of determination and the support of Ozempic. Let's explore the timeline of progress, lifestyle changes, and the incredible transformations that took place along the way. The journey of individuals on their Ozempic weight loss transformation was marked by significant milestones that showcased their progress over time. From the initial weeks of adjustment to the gradual but steady weight loss, each step forward was a victory. Tracking their journey through milestones such as reaching a specific weight goal, fitting into smaller clothing sizes, or improving health markers provided motivation and a sense of accomplishment. Central to the success of the Ozempic weight loss transformation were the changes individuals made in their lifestyle, diet, and physical activity. Embracing healthier eating habits, incorporating regular exercise routines, and prioritizing self-care were critical to their transformation journey. Visuals such as progress photos are crucial in telling the Ozempic weight loss transformation story. Seeing the physical changes in individuals' bodies over time, from the initial starting point to the final results, provides a compelling narrative of their journey. These visuals are a powerful reminder of the hard work, dedication, and perseverance that went into achieving their transformation goals. Stay tuned to witness the incredible visual journey of individuals during their Ozempic weight loss transformation. In this segment, we will celebrate individuals' remarkable after-epic transformation results. Their journey from where they started to where they are now is nothing short of inspiring, and the transformations they have achieved speak volumes about their dedication and the impact of Ozempic. Let's reveal these individuals' significant weight loss, improved health markers, and overall well-being as we share their success stories and celebrate their achievements. The after-epic transformation results of individuals are genuinely awe-inspiring. Many have experienced significant weight loss, shedding excess pounds, and achieving healthier weight. From overcoming obstacles to staying committed to their journey, these individuals have shown that with dedication and support, anything is possible. Their stories inspire others on similar paths, demonstrating that transformation is within reach for those willing to put in the effort and make positive changes in their lives. As we celebrate the achievements of individuals post-Ozempic transformation, we must acknowledge the physical changes and the newfound confidence and self-assurance they have gained. Join us in celebrating their successes and cheering them on as they continue their journey towards a healthier, happier life. In this segment, we will delve into expert opinions on the effectiveness and sustainability of Ozempic weight loss. Medical professionals play a crucial role in guiding individuals on their weight management journey, and their insights provide valuable perspectives on the role of Ozempic in achieving long-term success. Let's explore their recommendations, tips for maintaining weight loss post-Ozempic treatment, and strategies for overcoming potential challenges. Medical professionals have recognized Ozempic's significant impact on weight management and its effectiveness in helping individuals achieve their weight loss goals. By mimicking the hormone GLP-1 and targeting critical pathways involved in appetite control and metabolism, Ozempic has proven to be a valuable tool in the fight against obesity. Maintaining weight loss post-Ozempic treatment is a crucial concern for individuals on their weight management journey. Medical professionals recommend adopting healthy eating habits, staying physically active, and monitoring weight regularly to sustain the progress achieved with Ozempic. Setting realistic goals, seeking ongoing support from healthcare providers, and staying mindful of food choices are essential strategies for maintaining weight loss in the long run. While the journey to weight loss with Ozempic may be transformative, individuals may encounter challenges. Medical professionals highlight potential obstacles such as plateaus, emotional eating, and lifestyle changes that can impact weight management post-Ozempic treatment. Strategies for overcoming these challenges include seeking support from healthcare professionals, staying motivated, and making gradual, sustainable changes to maintain weight loss achievements. By addressing challenges proactively and staying committed to healthy habits, individuals can navigate the post-Ozempic phase successfully and continue on their path to long-term weight management. From the initial struggles and challenges to the inspiring transformations and newfound confidence, Ozempic's impact on individuals' lives and health has been nothing short of extraordinary. From shedding excess pounds to gaining confidence and vitality, the positive impact of Ozempic on individuals' lives has been profound. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, improve your health, or boost your confidence, exploring your options and setting realistic goals is the key to success. We invite you to stay connected with our channel for more inspiring stories, expert insights, and valuable weight management, health, and wellness information. we can empower each other to lead healthier, happier lives and make lasting changes for a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this incredible Ozempic weight loss transformation journey.